What's up, YouTube? It's your boy 360. Today I'm just trying to replace these replace these lights with LED lights. Can't really tell from here, but these are just the regular halogens. They're yellow. As you can see, they shine yellow. You know, I just need something brighter because my HDRs are LED, my fog lights are LED. So are these not LED. I don't like that. So I did buy some LED headlights. So let me show y'all what they look like. 9005. These are the red ones. I bought them with the connector because I don't want to take a chance. I heard that you need to get this anyway to prevent any codes, the decoder. So I just bought the ones that had them already instead of having to buy it separate. You can find some for a cheap price, but I feel like when it comes to this type of stuff, you want to just get something good. So I got these LEDs. I've seen very good reviews. They have over 4.5 star ratings, so I'll trust it. I'll put my faith into it, and if I don't like it, I'll just take them out anyway. So all right, let's see what we gotta do. All right, so we're coming in from the top on the passenger side, and you can see that cap right there. We have to unscrew it, and behind there is the hot headlight. So that's the first thing we have to do. It's kind of stuck in there. I got to move though. Got that cap off. Let's see if I can get in there. Yep, right there. So have to unplug it first. Just hit that clip. Peel that clip back. Boom. And then to get it out, turn it counterclockwise again. Hold on. So yeah, we're just gonna turn it counterclockwise. Pull it out. Just like that. So these are our lights right next to each other. You got your LEDs and your regular halogen. So we're gonna connect this part back into here. Let's see. Let's see if they work. Oh yeah, you can see them right there. So we see that they work. Now we're just gonna go ahead and install them. We have our box hooked into it already. Let me see. So we have our box hooked up to it. Make sure it's nice and tight. Plug that back in. Turn the counter clockwise, just regular clockwise to lock it in. And make sure it's in right. All right, there you go. Now we have to do something with this, so gotta find a nice place to put it. You really just have to slide it in there. There's not really many options. Okay, yeah. Let's try to put this part in first, and then follow it with these. Hopefully the cap will cover it. Okay, so it's all in there. All right, that looks good. Cover it back up with the cap. see. Can't even twist it. Oh, it has a special spot for you to turn it in there. Okay. Oh, the thing was blocking it. The wires were blocking it. All right, there you go. Nice and tight. Let's see what it looks like one more time. Oh, that's beautiful. That's beautiful. Look at the difference. You can see the difference right there. Look at the difference. Much needed. Look at that visibility. Oh, excuse my garage. Look at that visibility though. We're gonna get right in with the next one. Let's eat. Right side, as you can tell, we have this big intake in the way. You look all the way down in there. Let's see. Can't even get down in there. It's right about there. Right beside the yellow. It's not showing. It's right in there. So yeah, we're just gonna take off these clips and just work our way behind this part. Had to cut the wheel to get a little more access. But yeah, cap is right there. Just need to unscrew that and then we'll be right there. All right. Whoops. Stuck. Handle the headlight. It's obviously stuck in there, so I have to unclip it and then unscrew it just like the other one. So first thing we'll do is unclip it. Let's see, where's the clip? All right, I see it. All right, got it unclipped. I just gotta unscrew it. This is the easy part. Got it out. Boom. We're gonna have to stick this one back in, the little connector for the decoder, before we can put the headlight in. So that'll be the first thing we do. Gotta find the wire and then connect it back. Screw this part back in. Gotta feel around for the hole. All right, so I got the cap back in. Word of advice, just make sure all the wires are all the way inside the hole. That way you can put the cap back on easy. Otherwise, you're gonna get stuck fiddling with it. You can't really see nothing. So make sure the wires are back there first, stuck all the way in there, and then you put the cap back on. So that's it. Now we just gotta hook everything else back up. Make sure all this stuff is back the way it was. All right. Snap all this stuff back on. I like that a lot better. That's bright. So there it is. Those are the lights. As you can see, I don't have any codes on my dash, so the lighting and the decoders work well. So yeah, man, if you need some LED lights, hit up Alla Lighting, man. I'm gonna leave the link in the description below so y'all can check them out. But yeah, man, these some high quality lights. They definitely improved from that color to this color. So I like it. So that's all I got for y'all. I'm out.